Hello tech lovers, today's video is on LOLY-V mini drone. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this drones. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. Various people have various choices and various needs when it comes to anything. The same thing goes for drones. Some of us need a regular or big drone for various reasons, and at the same time, some of us need mini drones. But whether it is about regular drones or mini drones, let's talk about the features and positive and negative sides of this drone named KK1. Without further ado, let's jump into the features. This particular mini drone is full of great features. Let's discuss those things. It is 9.5 centimeters by 9.5 centimeters in length and width when it is unfolded, and 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters in length and width when folded. It is provided with convenient and foldable body design. Despite having small size, it provides strong performance, just for you to go along and open up new horizons. It is equipped with high-definition pixel resolution, distortion-free lens, and excellent optical response and color reproduction capabilities. It has greatly improved aerial photography orientation. Whether traveling, sports, or parties, you can capture stunning and beautiful pictures. Batteries should have great capacity and lots of other great qualities. Having said that, this drone has an upgraded modular battery. This particular battery uses high-efficiency energy-saving lithium battery, and it has fast charging, strong durability, and flight life of up to 12 minutes with a battery capacity of 700 mAh. Because of having modular battery, it is easy to install and remove, so you'll be able to spare multiple batteries and easily achieve long battery life. Now it is time to discuss various functions of LOLY-V2 mini drone. Using Wi-Fi signal transmission design, while the drone is flying, the real-time picture taken by the drone can be viewed in real time through the mobile phone app. The picture is clear and the scenery within the mile is more fun. Real-time transmission is a must for the drone operators. Without it, operating drone becomes kind of boring. So you know the drill. Rollover stunts are fun to watch and fun to make. They provide great clips and great enthusiasm. They provide great fun too. Watching them live is fun, and watching the clips while operating the roll is also fun. In this drone, rollover stunts in the air can be easily achieved with just one button. Track flight is one of the most used features. People use this because of its simplicity, which brings ease. In this feature, you can raw track and the drone will follow that. It is one of the best helping hands for the operators. Having this on this drone, you can draw the trajectory you want through your phone, and can fly your drone according to the drawn trajectory. It is not fun to capture photos or videos in traditional way. It is just a normal thing to do like that. And in today's world, it's an inconvenient job to do. You can easily and hassle-freely capture photos or videos with drones. There is a feature for it, and we all know the feature. It is called gesture photo and video. Having this feature in this drone, you will be able to capture smart automatic photos posing corresponding gestures to the aircraft camera during the flight. Another amazing feature this drone has is voice control system. You can open the voice control system, speak the designated command to the aircraft, and it will automatically make corresponding actions. This feature will vanish the hardness of flying a drone. It will help you to have a wonderful flying experience. It has some one-touch operations. You can make it take off, land, or return easily with just one button. A number of one-button control are designed for especially novices. Professionals will also get the benefits of it. It is easy and fast to abandon the tedious control in the past and be more worry-free. Without headless mode, it is tough to handle a drone, especially for novices. Having headless mode in this drone, there is no need to distinguish the real-time flight direction, and the flight is centered on the direction of the remote control, and the control is simpler. When there is no speed controlling system in a drone, the operator loses a great amount of freedom about flying. Speed controlling feature provides the much needed freedom. Having said that, this drone has double gear speed switch, so you will get to choose the speed that suits you. It has air pressure automatic hovering feature. Having this feature, It will let you hover automatically and stably while releasing the remote control. It provides you with a great stable flying experience. And some of the scenery requires stable flying, and it helps at that time the most. And because of having anti-shake shooting, you will get to see effectively improvement in sharpness. You will also get gravity sensor in it. You can tilt your phone, and the drone will follow that tilt and behave as you behave with your mobile phone. It will follow the moves you make. It's a fun thing to have. It is easy to carry because of its lightweight and embedded design. It is so lightweight that it meets the requirements for the safe weight of micro drones in most countries and regions. It can take off lightly without registration in the United States and Canada. These qualities have made it very portable, so you will be easily able to carry it where you want to carry it. It is so small and convenient, as light as a phone. It can be connected with VR. You can wear virtual reality glasses to enjoy the high-speed first-person view flight experience. This virtual reality feature will bring you a unified look and feel experience. It is a contemporary thing. Watching things with VR glasses are very enjoyable and fun. You will get a lot of fun doing this. It cuts some extra marks if it is in a drone. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this device. The pros are 4K high-definition pixels camera, great portability and design, can be equipped with VR, one-key takeoff and landing. The cons are the battery capacity could be better. The camera quality could be better. The features are great, and they are perfect for a mini drone. At a budget price and reasonable price, this device is really a buyable and recommended device. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.